Alright, if you've never tried cow soy, you are in for a treat. Imagine a creamy, spicy coconut curry soup, silky egg noodles, and crispy golden toppings, all in one bowl. Let's get into it. First, I start by blending fresh garlic, ginger, shallots, and red curry paste. That's my flavor base, fragrant and fiery. In a hot pot, a splash of oil goes in, then that paste sizzles until it's mouth-wateringly aromatic. Next, I add chicken thighs, letting them soak up all those spices. Now, the magic coconut milk. Pour it in and watch that sauce turn rich, golden, and glossy. A dash of fish sauce, a sprinkle of sugar, and a splash of chicken stock bring everything together. Simmer that goodness for about 20 minutes until the chickens fall apart tender. While that bubbles away, I prep my noodles. I boil half my egg noodles, then fry the rest until they're crispy and puffed. Those are going to be your crunchy crown on top. Time to serve. I lay a bed of soft noodles into my bowl, ladle over that luscious curry, and top it all off with the crispy noodles. A squeeze of lime, pickled mustard greens, chopped red onion, and fresh cilantro. This is what takes cow soy from delicious to absolutely unforgettable. Every bite is creamy, spicy, crunchy, and bright. Trust me, once you try cow soy at home, you'll wonder where it's been all your life. So go on, grab your ingredients, and let's bring this Northern Thai classic to your kitchen.